Akkam and welcome to this week's news. With today's news, I am Aisha Ali. In East Oromia, West Hararge, Mi'eso City, Somali Special Police Force and Ethiopian security forces have opened fire, and one Oromo civilian was killed and 4 Oromos seriously injured. A bomb was also thrown into a school during school hours. An eyewitness account explains that 4 students have severely been injured. Residents believe that the continuous aggression by the Somali Special Police, an extension of the Ethiopian government, is genocide against the Oromo nation. According to Al Jazeera, families are demanding justice for 650 Oromos who were killed last year during anti-government protests. Although the Ethiopian government has made promises to punish those responsible, not a single law enforcement personnel has been publicly persecuted. Cross-border raids by neighbouring ethnic groups have intensified into Oromia. The latest attacks are in the north, where Afar military have invaded Wallo Bate district and opened fire against innocent civilians. Eyewitness accounts informed OMN that they have taken property and killed innocent Oromos, and the death toll is still not certain. These attacks are identical in West Oromia, Wallagga, East Oromia, Hararge, and South and Southeast Oromia, Bale, Borana, and Guji areas. The neighbouring ethnic groups are armed and trained by the federal Ethiopian authorities in an attempt to create distractions, initiate inter-ethnic conflicts, and preserve their time in power. The worst human rights violations have been occurring in dangerous numbers, particularly in eastern Oromia, Hararge areas such as Chinaksan, Bordode, Mi'eso, and Babile. The Somali Special Police have been conducting invasions and killing in mass and stealing assets and property. Oromo refugees in Yemen have gathered to raise funds for displaced families. The Oromo refugees in Yemen have condemned the Ethiopian government's atrocious acts against innocent civilians and hope to see justice be served. In East Oromia, East Hararge, Chinaksan district, one of the heaviest hit areas since the inter-ethnic attacks, the Somali Special Police Force have opened fire and the Chinaksan residents have fought back. Residents informed OMN that the Somali Special Police Force have heavy military weaponry and have continuously killed many innocent civilians. Residents have vowed from now on to be prepared to fight back and protect their property. Cholera incidents have increased in different parts of the country. In East Hararge, Kombolcha district, a mother has lost both her children to cholera. The health district has confirmed 21 cholera-related deaths. Gurawa and Jarso districts have also reported increased cholera deaths. Cholera is a growing pandemic in the country. However, federal and local Ethiopian governments are not addressing this health issue promptly. Residents in West Oromia, Wallagga, Horro Guduru district, Fincaa city, are being detained and attacked by Ethiopian security forces for participating in the nationwide business strikes. Residents informed OMN that Ethiopian security forces are using the strike participation as an excuse to raid local businesses, harass and detain individuals. Oromo youth in Baddanno district, East Hararge, East Oromia, are being attacked by Ethiopian security forces. The youth have had money stolen from them. One youth explains the security forces continue to harass individuals and are now imprisoning young men with long hair, claiming they are supporters of the Oromo Liberation Front. The youth of this city promised to fight for freedom and attain the goal that many sacrificed their lives for. In Burayu, the Oromo youth have told OMN that the forms of resistance evident across Oromia demonstrates the strength and unity of our people. The youth elaborate that the Oromo people will overcome the unfair and unjust practices by the Ethiopian government. Ethiopian military have infiltrated West Oromia Wallagga, Dambidolo City. Residents are being detained and abused by the military. Thank you for watching. We hope to see you next time.